अभी भी मुझे पलियाल जी ने लिख के मुझे सिखाया, तो मैं बोलने के लिए कोशिश करता हूँ। तमिल मक्कलुक्कू यनडू अनबरदू बनक Anbandu Banakam. Is it okay? Whenever I come to Chennai, Tamil Nadu, it emotionally always connected with my heart. Veluji has been always very much cooperative, very much positive. Whenever I come to address any kind of, event in Tamil Nadu, in most often, she is always there. I'm really thankful to you. And we have the dynamic chairman of Chennai Port Authority and Kamaraja Port Limited, Sunil Paliwal ji, and also the managing director who has organized this particular event very successfully, Srimati J.P. Irini Cynthia ji, and we have two very renowned personality who represents the world of sports as well as the world of culture. And renowned Padma Shri and Arjuna awardee squash player Deepika Palikal ji, and renowned artist, singer, actor M.S. Andrea Jeremiah ji, and the Vishwanathan ji, the Vice Chairman of Chennai Port Authority, and Madam Malini Shankar ji, the respected Vice Chancellor of Indian Maritime University, Board of Directors of KPL, and all the respected stakeholders, employees and family members of Kamaraja Port Limited and esteemed guests, and my media friends. The vision set by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. By 2047, we want to become the self-reliant nation, Atmanirbhar Bharat. हम बनना चाहते हैं और हम बन पाएंगे. Today, Kamaraja Port's success story has given lot of confidence. It generated energy, wisdom, zeal, and optimism, which will definitely help us to dream more and more in the near future. The Ministry of Port Shipping Waterways, with the support of all dynamic port authorities and all the highly skilled and laborious manpower across the country in our major ports, working day and night, and ultimately created an environment across the world that India can be the leaders in the maritime sector. And we have already set the target very clear. By 2047, when India will celebrate its 100 years of independence, those glorious moments will witness the fact that India, among the top 10 maritime nations in the world, whether it is cargo handling, whether it is shipbuilding, ship repairs, in all the verticals, whether developing the most developed port across the country and abroad. It is not that we are limited within the country, but we have already put our step in the different part of the world. Now, whether it is IMEC, whether it is Eastern Maritime Corridor connecting Chennai and Vladivostok, Russia, whether it is IMEC, India, Middle East, European corridors, and whether it is INST, International North-South traffic corridors, in all this way, we are trying to make our presence distinctive and also with our leadership quality. So I believe you are all experienced players sitting here. I am proud of you. पलवाल जी अपने उद्बोधन में बोल रहे थे कैसे हमारे स्पोर्ट में इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर ने अपने सुझाव दी, सही मार्गदर्शन और उनकी दिए हुए सहयोग और सुझाव की द्वारा टुडे वी बिकम सो पावरफुल, energetic that now we are marching ahead with our bigger vision. So I believe this occasion is a very, very family occasion. मुझे अच्छा लगा. Today you have invited all the family members. देखिए एक बात तो we'll have to admit the fact, अगर आपको घर से सपोर्ट नहीं मिला तो आप बाहर में काम नहीं कर पाएंगे. आपने सही बताया. You have rightly pointed out that they are the backbone to inspire their nearest and dearest to work with more commitment, energy, conviction, dedication, and devotion. So this is the power of human vision. So I believe definitely this is the, kind of holistic working relationship we should always develop within ourselves. This will pay the bigger dividend tomorrow. And India, Bharat, is now known to be the fastest growing economy in the world. We are the fastest growing economy. Now we are becoming, in the next 5 years' time, one of the top 3 economy in the world. In the next 5 years' time, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Because he has always been saying, not only saying, setting by example, untiring effort day and night, with better vision, better policy, program, and quality implementation, timely quality implementation. That's the power of his leadership. That is the level of his commitment for the cause of the country. And this is the example we should always follow. And that is the example we should also try to set in our own periphery. तो हमें मेहनत करना होगा. जो व्यक्ति मेहनत करते मंजिल हासिल करने के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. बिकॉज कठोर परिश्रम के जरिए हम परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं. परिश्रम का बिना परिवर्तन संभव नहीं है. ये बात परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पिछले 10 साल में प्रतिष्ठा की है, साबित की है. कठोर परिश्रम के जरिए आज हिंदुस्तान को जैसे दुनिया का एक बड़े शक्तिशाली देश के हिसाब से उन्होंने खड़ा की है. और दुनिया की मानव समाज के मन में everywhere, whether it is highest level of global platform, everywhere, even in the most developed countries, leadership have accepted the fact that India is the fastest growing economy. India's policy and program is praiseworthy. Even the leading university has taken up many programs as a study matter for research. So this is the power of vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. And we have to walk under him. We are happy to walk under him. And this Tamil Nadu, most developed in many ways, whether it is culture, education, industry, manufacturers, technology. That is why when I come to Tamil Nadu, I always want to learn from my every visit. Beautiful culture. And today, Madam Irini has informed me that two of our beautiful girls, they had been performing Bharatanatyam so beautifully. And both the girls belongs to our employees family. Are they available in the auditorium? है अभी यहाँ? उनको बुलाइए ना, आइए आप लोग दोनों आइए, बहुत अच्छा लगा.